So I made up a recipe and I combined the sauce with 1 pound of American style wagyu hamburger. Now I'm probably gonna save the second one for another meal, but I wanted to just do it live with my reaction to what the taste is of this. Okay, flipping my camera around. Hopefully you're seeing my face. So what I will say is that because I mixed in some olive oil just to kind of incorporate this kind of into more of a sauce, that when I cooked my burger, I had a lot of grease. So I had to use my little oil splatter kind of thing, which I didn't think about until I was like 3/4 of the way done. But anyhow, I like it medium rare. This is really good. Wow, this is really quite tasty. Now, if I were to do this again, I might kind of do perhaps the amount of, I wound up using just the whole amount of sauce in the burger, and I just kind of did it what I'm gonna call meatloaf style, where I kind of just mashed it all in there with my fingers. I might go like 1.5 pounds to this amount, but it's not like overpowering. But I know, like for my husband, he likes things a little bit more on the less herbal side. But I mean, this is phenomenal.